Hi everyone, welcome back to African Real Estate. As always, my name is Mungai Kihara. Today I'm very disappointed in myself because I'm over 50 years old and I just realized that I don't know some areas of this country. Today we are in Kikuyu. I know Kikuyu Ondere, I know Kikuyu Gikambura, and I just realized that there is another area called Kikuyu Gichuru. If you are the Gichuru that this area is named after, make sure you call me. I need to apologize. Let's get started. This is a gated estate of 8 units, but this is not the only part of this unit. On the opposite side, we have an extra 9 units which are in progress. I will take you there and you'll see the process of construction. This is a new development with a new technology and a new mode of construction. I'll take you there and we will talk to some of the foodies and see how it is done. Each home in this gated estate is a 2-en-suite semi-detached duplex with a plinth area of 200 square meters. The price of each home in this estate is 11 million for the cash buyers. There is no need to talk about the mortgage and installment buyers because serikali ni ya hasra na kila mtu ako na pesa mkononi. Each unit comes with a 2-car parking and that will be enough, one for you and one for the mama. Each unit has been separated from the next unit by this live fence, and the whole estate comes with all this empty space to act as the kids' play area. The whole estate comes surrounded with a perimeter wall, and on top of it you have an electric fence. The estate also comes with a 24-hour surveillance system, and you have underground water tanks for extra storage of your water. As I said earlier, I'll bring you to the site and we will talk with one of the fundis atuambie hii technology inaendelea namna gani. Bwana Caleb,
yes.
How are you?
I'm good. And how are you?
I'm great. Okay. This is new technology, we have not seen it. Tell us more about it, because I can see some steel reinforcements, naona chuma, I can see the foundations. Tell us.
Okay, this technology, originally it is from Malaysia.
Oh, okay.
But the one we are doing with is from USA.
Oh, from USA. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it is more efficient if I just learn to the bottom part of it.
Okay.
It is more efficient in time saving.
Okay.
And in labor saving.
Oh, it saves on time and labor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And the outcome of the production is durable, is firm.
Oh, like the units that we have seen on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay. So how long does it take? Because I can see like this is the whole structure, and it's yote ni chuma. So what do you do after that? You pour concrete using this?
After the foundation, I do the steel reinforcement of the base.
Okay.
Then I put the starter bars of the columns and the walls and the staircase.
Okay.
Then I do the formwork there, of which the formwork we do with it is called panel.
Oh, the paneling.
Yeah, it is aluminum. The material is aluminum.
Oh, these are aluminum panels.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, this panel also has got some. There are some area which are smooth and some area which has got some pattern, as you can see on those wall.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
See? Yeah. Once we've done the casting of the whole thing, there is no need of doing plastering.
Oh, so you just come and paint?
We just go through direct to the painting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sawa. From here, I'll take you inside and we'll have a look at one of the units. As you have heard from the engineer, this technology is different, it is easy, and it is very economical. That is why you are getting these houses, a 4-bedroom unit, going for 11 million. As you can see, we are already getting a wooden floor, and this makes it very warm, especially when you are living in cold areas of Kikuyu. It has been done very well. I like the quality because everything is pristine. The units come with 2 big windows for maximum natural light, and you have this side that has been set aside for the stairs that takes you to the upper level. The unit is thinner and taller, so it has 2 stories, and all the bedrooms are on the upper level. On this level, we have the living room, the dining area, and the kitchen, and then we will take the stairs to the upper level. During the night, this living room will receive a ton of light from this center light and a number of side lights. The living room opens to the dining area on this side, And as you can see from there, the dining area will be sufficient to fit a 7-seater, okay, let's say from 5-seater to a 7-seater dining set. One thing to note is that the dining area comes with this big access that act as the door to access the laundry area or the rear part of this unit, and also it acts as a window to set a turn of light to the dining area. The dining area also comes with this beautiful center light. The laundry area and the clotheslines area can also be accessed from the kitchen, so we will access the kitchen from that area. Just wait for me there. From the other side, we are in the kitchen of this home, and as you can see, the kitchen has been done very well. This is where you'll do your cooker, and it is big for a 6-burner. On the opposite side, you have your sink area, and it comes with a double sink that has already been connected with water. You are getting a big window for a ton of natural light, and behind me, you have spaces for enough storage. Very well done. This space will act as your pantry, and on the opposite side, this is where you'll have your refrigerator. Let's see the laundry area and the clotheslines area. This is where the clotheslines area will be installed, and the laundry area comes with an industrial sink and an extra storage. This home does not come with a kitchen garden because this is a gated estate. You do not need to farm here. If you want to farm, nunua shamba huko kichakani. From here, I'm taking you to the upper level to see the kids and the guest bedroom. But before we do, just come, I want to show them the common washroom. The common washroom is utilizing the space under the stairs, and one thing to note, for hii washroom, you cannot be fat. It is one of the tiniest things I've ever seen. On this level, you have 2 kids' bedroom and also a guest bedroom. The guest bedroom is here, and the 2 kids' bedroom are on my far front. The guest bedroom is one of the tiniest rooms that we have ever seen in this channel. It comes with the smallest closet, as you can see. And one of the most interesting things is that this bedroom is the only bedroom that comes with a balcony. Why we need it, I have no idea. This bedroom shares a Jack and Jill bathroom with the other bedroom. Just come. From the entrance of the bathroom, you are getting a wash basin. On this other side, you have your WC, and this is the showering area or the shower cubicle. The developer will add a sliding glass here. This bathroom also opens to the other bedroom on this other side. This bedroom is slightly bigger than the bedroom that we just saw, and this bedroom is targeting your small kids. This bedroom comes with a slightly bigger closet compared to the one that we saw in the guest bedroom. I like it that all the closets come with a mirror. You have 3 drawers there, spaces for the foldable clothes, and on the other side, you have spaces for the hangable clothes. As I told you, this is a Jack and Jill bathroom, and this will be the door to this bedroom. It is a sliding door, and this bedroom is getting a ton of light from this massive window on my far front. From here, I'm taking you to the 3rd bedroom of this unit. The 3rd bedroom is just directly opposite the 2nd one. And this 3rd bedroom is slightly bigger than the 1st and the 2nd bedroom. On my far front, I have noticed one thing about this developer. He does not minimize on the size of window that you are getting. This is already bigger than 6 feet. Is that not good? Another thing to mention is the quality of the workmanship in these houses. They have been done very well, and I'm trying to locate errors in these houses, but until now, I have seen none. We will keep locating because we must get something wrong. This bedroom comes with a mini walk-in closet, and here it comes with a dresser. On the opposite side, you have storage for all your clothes. The bathroom to this bedroom comes with a shower cubicle on my far front. You have a WC, and behind me you have a wash basin. I like it that this bedroom can be used as the primary bedroom because it comes with anything that you require for a primary bedroom. But this is just a small piece of the pie. Let me take you upstairs, and you'll see the whole meat. So, Bwana Caleb,
yes.
After now the structure, what do? You pour the concrete?
After the shelling and after the reinforcement of the strata bars on the wall and the shelling, then we do the slabbing,
Okay.
which is the slab reinforcement. We do the beams,
Okay.
we do the slab, and then we put the strata bars of the walls. Then we do the casting, we pour the concrete.
Oh, so the slab is the one that separates the first floor and the second floor, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then now you pour the concrete.
Yeah.
How long does it take to settle?
Or like this one take 26 hours.
26 hours.
26 hours. We remove it. We transfer it to another wall or to another unit.
Okay. So like the whole development, these are 3 houses, right? How many are they?
These are 5 houses.
These are 5 houses. How long will they take? Assuming that everything is available, labor is available, money is available, how long would it take?
For this ground floor, we will take 5 weeks.
5 weeks?
Yeah. And we are done with it.
Oh, for the ground floor of the 5 units?
Yeah, of the 5 units.
Okay. What about the whole structure?
The whole structure, then that one we will take it 5 weeks, 5 weeks, 5 weeks.
That is 15 weeks.
15 weeks.
15 weeks is like 2.5 months.
2.5 months we are done.
No, 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah, 3 months. Around 3 months.
Around 3 months. We are done everything doing with the construction.
Okay.
Just minor finishing like painting. Inside the interior finishes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how much does it save in terms of the cost when you compare it to the normal construction yenye Wakenya wanafanya? How much are we saving? How much are we talking about in terms of percentage?
Like let's say a house of 3 bedrooms. You will save almost when it comes to, you will save almost a quarter.
A quarter of it, so like 25%.
Like 25%.
So if the house is expected to cost like 6 million, with this technology you are spending about 4.5.
Like 4 million.
Like 4 million?
Yeah.
Oh, that is interesting.
Yeah.
And you've said that it saves also on labor and time.
Labor, time, it saves everything.
Okay, so most of the times naona mnatumia concrete and chuma.
Yeah, these are the preferred materials, especially this type of concrete. It is the suggested concrete to be used by the engineer.
Okay.
And the chuma we are using, the bars we are using, are also designed by the engineer.
Oh, okay. So you said this technology is coming from the US?
Yeah, the one we are using is from US.
Oh, from the US. But also it's applied in Malaysia, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So if you are out there and you like a lot of Americanization, this is the place to be. And thank you very much, Bwana Caleb.
Welcome.
Tumefurahia sana.
Thank you.
Good. The primary bedroom is here. Later, I'll show you a small area that can be used for your barbecue. This is the primary bedroom. It is the biggest room in this unit, and as you can see, it comes with a massive window for maximum natural light. You are getting side lights and 3 center lights for your nights. On my far front, you have a dresser. It is the biggest dresser that you have seen in the channel for this price range, and this is not the only dresser that we have in this room. The dresser comes with spacious drawers for all your jewelries or your mafuta, and you have an extra compartment on both sides. This bedroom comes with a walk-in closet. It is a big walk-in closet, sufficient for you and your sweetheart. This other space can be used as a small dresser. When you fight with your wife and you are chased away from the other dresser, this is where you come to dress. You just require to add a small mirror here and you are all good. The space is enough for all your clothes and all your mama's clothes. And on my far left, you have the primary bathroom. The primary bathroom is the biggest. It comes with a wash basin here. You have a WC, and this is the shower cubicle. One thing to note is that these homes comes with solar water heaters. That's why you don't require instant heaters in these showers. The developer will add a shower cubicle glass here, and this bathroom also comes with a soap holder and a double towel holder. Come with me, I need to show you something. As I said, we are on the top level and you have an extra space. This can be called an attic. It is a mini attic and you can use this space for your barbecue. It is not the biggest space. So if you like slaughtering cows, this is not the place to do it. This is just enough for 2 or 3 chicken or maybe a kambuzi with your friends. That's all for this roof deck. We have come to the end of the tour and I hope you have enjoyed. As I said earlier, the cash price for any of these units is 11 million. If you would want to purchase any of these units, make sure you take our number from the first comment below. We are doing this shoot in the evening, so as you can see, it is slightly cloudy. So, nataka muniombe nisinyeshewe. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.